The bird dog. This pelvic stability exercise and breathing exercise is a fundamental part of any kind of warm-up, but is especially great for women to practice during the days of pregnancy. As you can see, it's very similar to the cat dog, where we breathe in with a relaxed abdominals. Then as we exhale, we contract those abdominals up into the spine. In that position, we extend one arm and the opposite leg. And in that lengthened position, we want to pause for a moment or two, coming back to the floor, and we will repeat with a breath in, relaxed abdominals, exhale, and extend on that opposite side.